All right, guys, I've been waiting a long time for this. So I just shot my buck, and our good friends with GutDaddy have sent us a cleaning kit. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do a quick unboxing and kind of give a quick review on it while I have the opportunity. I'm sorry it's at night, but I harvested my buck this evening, and this is our first chance to get to use it. We're leaving out here in the morning, so okay, I'm gonna get started on how to use this thing. I actually don't know how. I'm kind of gonna be learning with you. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this as steady as I can without my tripod. So we have the GutDaddy Super Faster Cleaner, the evolution of field dressing. Open it up. We got a nice pretty kit here, and I'll try to show you guys a little better in the daylight. But this is going to be the actual using it portion, and this is my first time to unbox it, so it gives you the directions here. Okay, comes with a knife sharpener. You have the actual cleaning kit. I'm gonna open that up. All right, seems like a pretty nice little. So you've got this knife, the actual. So your knife, nice handle, feels good. Pretty sharp, very sharp actually. Okay. That is nice. Put that back in there. We have a knife with a gut hook. Same thing, feels real good. Got a nice little spot for your finger there. Gut hook and everything. It looks pretty nice. So then on the back, you have a bone saw. So it's got a lock there. Okay. Nice bone saw with it. Well, that's pretty nice. Definitely liking it so far. I'm just curious to see how this thing spreads. So the purpose is, like, I'm out here solo tonight. The guys went and hunted a different area, so I came by myself here. So the whole purpose of this is so you're when you're out solo hunting, you can, you know, field dress a deer easily with something to hold it for you, without trying to, you know, it can be a pain in the butt to hold the legs and all that. So this is comes in a nice little sleeve. Okay, so these are the legs and everything. Okay, so that's going to be to hold the legs, I assume. I'm going to read the directions in just a second, but I'm just making assumptions at the moment. Okay, so this is like Velcro. Okay, well, we'll figure that out in a second, but that's what's going to be in that. So we have another one that's the same exact thing. Okay, same exact thing. All right, well, I'm going to get the instructions read and get my deer laid on here and set the camera up a little better, and I'll show you guys how it works. All right, so a little bit of change of plans. Old Clay, they texted me and decided to say go ahead and get him out of there, and they wanted to help me out, and I got a cameraman now, so this will go a little bit better. But we're out here and we're gonna string this guy up on this GutDaddy kit, and we're gonna see how it works out. I got the directions here. I'm gonna make sure I do it right before I show y'all how this thing works. Alright, so it says you place it down like this, upside down. Okay. I guess I really probably need to do it on this side so you can see. So you place it upside down here. Maybe I can help with some light without blinding y'all. Then you take your beer, lay it on its back, like so. Okay, yeah. I think you line it up with them holes there is what it was showing. So I'm gonna get the valley rolled off. I'm gonna put this one over here on this side first. Then I'm gonna roll my deer. I'm gonna roll him over with that rack. Yeah, if I can get it out of my boot. Put that rack upside down. Okay, I got him in my kit here. Oh, I got it. Just loop it like that. Okay, that's pretty simple. We're getting that one. And then that one might be a little bit more. There we go. Stick it back in my deal here. Nope, so it's held open, but it says to then you take this, but it says after you saw your sternum and everything, then you hook that. So you're actually supposed to saw the sternum first. So we'll do that. But look at there, it holds him open real nice, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Alright, so we got him spread open there. I got my kit here that comes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my gut hook, I would assume. That's what I'm gonna use because we're gutting, right? And I start, put your leg like that, look at there, hold it nice. I'm gonna start right here, cut me a slit. Oh yeah, hey, that's like butter. Look at that. Well, I hung a snag here, didn't get deep enough. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. That knife is sharp.
How do they get a hold of these people, Michael?
So I'm going to leave a link in the description below to GutDaddy, so y'all can find these kits and order them. Now GutDaddy has all your social media. You can find them on Facebook, you can find them Instagram, all your major social media platforms. But I'm going to put their link in the description below. Okay, so now you saw that sternum, it says. It wants you to saw that sternum. Oh, if I don't trip. It's nice and okay.
You're in the clear now.
Yeah. Hey, that's pretty nice right there. That's pretty nice. Open it up like that. You know, all the years of cleaning these deer, I don't know if I've ever saw the sternum like that. I mean, look at there. So this is the part where it says now you can really stretch him out. Okay, this part, I did this incorrectly. I'm gonna show you a picture of how you actually correctly do this. And this is the way you actually do it as the picture shows. You actually wrap the Velcro strap around the leg inserting the hook into the sternum to open it up more. And I was in a rush. We were trying to get done, celebrate, you know, and I didn't read the instructions as well as I should have, just tried to figure it out. My fault on that. That was the incorrect way. I just wanted to touch on that. It is a lot easier. It was already easy enough as it was, but it would have been so much easier if I'd have done it correctly, and I apologize for doing that incorrectly, but I didn't want you guys to get the wrong information or show you the wrong way of doing it. So I'm going to take our other knife here. Come in on this, Clay, cameraman. Show them our other knife.
Cameraman.
I'm going to show them. I'm going to take that in there and roll up my sleeves.
The old caping knife.
Man, ain't that better? Man, I'll tell you what, that's a heck of a lot better. I can get right in here.
Might be a little gruesome. Hide the children.
Yeah, not recommended for some folks.
One day we're gonna get a shirt that says "Got deer guts."
Gut piles. That's what we want, gut piles.
Yeah.
If y'all watch Tim Well, you know them gut piles is what you're looking for. Now I'm probably a little slower than most people that are doing this. But it sure is nice being able to get right here to all this. There you have it. And that is how your kit works.
As easy as that.
That was pretty simple. All right, so that was quick, simple. The kit's light. I mean, pretty effective, honestly, by yourself. Holds the legs open like that. If you're out there in the woods. You know, we go in by boat, but so you can keep it in your boat if you're using side by side, whatever. Now I couldn't really see packing that in your pack and hauling it in, obviously, but you know, you leave it in your truck or whatever. Usually you bring your stand and everything back to your truck, you know, and then you go get your deer. So you could leave that in your truck, you know, under your seat or whatever. Seems like a pretty good deal. I definitely like it. Knives are sharp. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm definitely a fan. So we appreciate you, Jessica, over at GutDaddy, for letting us test these out. I'm gonna finish cleaning the deer with these knives actually to see how they hold the edge, and we'll do a follow-up on that. But all right, so final review. So first thing is, I apologize, the wind is blowing extremely hard outside and my windows are making some very odd noises, so I apologize about that. Okay, so as you saw in the video, I explained that I did that wrong. We were in a big hurry and really should have done better with that, but I apologize. So this is the what you call the rib straps. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Now, I don't want to lose you here, but I just wanted to show you the right way. So what you actually do is go around the deer's legs, okay? Strap that, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna come behind this leg, hook this into the rib. So you know, when your sternum is opened up, you hook it into the rib cage. Okay, pull it tight, and then that's gonna hold your ribs open. Okay, let me show you the other side. So picture an animal being here, hook it to the rib cage, spread it open. Okay, So now this is holding your rib cage open. So now these hooks are going to be holding your rib cage open, which would have been, you know, which would be very, very helpful and would have made the process a little easier. It was already easy the way I did it, just throwing the legs in these, you know, just throwing the legs in the loops that's provided on the poles, and it was easy enough like that. But as far as the final review, so the way that I told you I would tell you how the knives held up, so the knives held up great, still sharp. I was able to finish the whole deer. As you can tell, the sharpener is unopened still, so I never had to go back and resharpen. Now it does need to be hit. I mean, obviously you've skinned, you know, you've cleaned animals before. I completely quartered out this animal with this knife, with the knife provided. And as you sportsmen know, or anybody that's done this before, you know, after you quarter out a complete animal, cape it and everything, you're gonna need to sharpen your knives, obviously. But it held up great. I was able to finish the job without sharpening it. So yeah, the knives did good. Gut hook performed well. That one's still very sharp, which I didn't use that other than just a gut. Something I just noticed was easy cleanup. I noticed how clean this kit still was after I used it. And the reason is because you're flipping this case over upside down, so the animal is touching the outside of your case. You're keeping all the inside clean. This, you know, none of the bloody parts of the animal's really touching this, and it stays pretty clean. I did have a little bit of blood, you know, to wipe off, but it was a nice rag down, and I was pretty much done with it. I was pretty impressed with how clean it actually stayed. So yeah, the purpose of this is, like I said, to be able to take this in and be able to field dress your animal easily. And you know, I've heard some of my lady hunter friends say that this is very extremely useful when their husbands are not with them. You know, they decide to go by themselves or what have you, and they go in and are able to field dress an animal very easily by themselves. So yeah, hey guys, you know, Christmas presents, whatever, you know, hey, this would definitely be a good one for your lady friends, or and hey, I like it because I go myself. I may take a boat way out, you know, I may hike way in, and usually, like I say, what I do is I take all my gear out before I go back to get the animal. So grab this, you know, and come back. You're able to field dress it and do everything by yourself with ease, fast, quick, and get him out of there. And yeah, I really like it. And as far as for me, this kit will be going with me either in my Jeep or in the boat. Absolutely. Yeah, I love this kit. They have all the socials, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. You can look them up there. They have plenty of videos on these, but yeah, in love with this kit, So I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I hope you decide to check on one of these for yourself. You may be glad you did. All right, guys, thanks for watching.